Previously on my North Carolina vlog. Today we are in South Carolina. So my boyfriend and I rented this super cute little cottage in Fletcher, North Carolina. Hey guys, so today is Monday, November 9th. Today we are in Cherokee, North Carolina. I found a cute pebble. It's like the perfect roundness and size. And look at this beautiful view. All we've seen all trip is houses on top of mountains, which is precisely what we want to do in the future if we ever want to move here. Is we want to find the perfect mountain to build our house on. So yeah, look at this beautiful view. And my pebble. Okay, but we're gonna keep looking at fun places. We just came back from gem mining. And oh my gosh, we found so many emeralds. We got a lot of my birthstones, sapphire. So happy about that. We got some regular cute ones. And we got a lot of good rubies. So I'm so excited we came here. My boyfriend has done it, but I haven't. So I'm really glad he took me because we did really good, guys. We did really good. If you guys are ever in North Carolina, in Bryson City, definitely go gemstone and ruby mining. It's so much fun. We are gonna go look around and do some stuff, eat maybe, and then we're gonna go head over to our Airbnb. I will see you guys later. Wolf Clan. Oh look, they all have different clans. Deer Clan. Got the Bird Clan. Got the Long Hair Clan. The Blue Clan. The Paint Clan. Wild Potato Clan. That's cool. It's so beautiful out here. I love the mountain view. It's so pretty. I honestly thought it was gonna be a lot colder, but it actually feels amazing. Hey guys, so we're hiking right now. Look at this intense view, like, woo! Look at the trees. Wow. These mountains are very steep, so you definitely feel when you're going up and when you're going down, because you have to hold yourself back when you go down because it's so elevated. We have to check for ticks because yesterday we went hiking for like 30 minutes. And when we got to our Airbnb, my boyfriend noticed a tick on his chest. And if you didn't know, ticks are known for giving you Lyme disease. So that sucks. I'm so out of breath because I'm so out of shape. And I am gonna say, I've closed my exercise ring ever since I got here and I started walking. This is definitely a workout. But yeah, like I said, I'm so out of shape. And he wants to go to the top. Oh gosh. Look at this. Wow. We walked all of that. Guys, look at this amazing view. By the way, I just climbed some rocks up there. My hands are like, look, my hand's like peeling. Oh well, makes me tougher. Right, babe?
Yeah.
God, this is gorgeous. Imagine having your house built like up there or somewhere up there or up here. For this to be your view, oh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Hello and welcome back. We are currently still hiking. We have reached the end of it though, so we are walking back. And can you guys just see color of the leaves? That's literally how it is. It goes up because there's just like, oh my gosh, you see, just it's all just mountains. It looks amazing. The waterfalls, breathtaking. So I have no words for it. I love how there are little benches also in these parks, so you could just sit and enjoy the waterfalls and the streams. Like, look. Just goes further up. It's beautiful. Like, imagine having a house up here. Not that I wouldn't want to destroy this beautiful forest, but wow. I feel so small. And we are back to this beautiful waterfall. This is my first natural waterfall. Look how beautiful that is. Wow. This is amazing. I have no words. I mean, just the sound of it is relaxing. Oh my god, we reached the most beautiful waterfall, and it goes under the bridge. We found like a little tiny waterfall. How cute is that? And it goes all the way down. Alright guys, well, that is it for this video. I will vlog more tomorrow and the next day after that, so you guys are gonna have a good series of North Carolina videos. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you think, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!